Hi, welcome to the RoofSmart Roof Material Protection Series. I'm going to demonstrate to you how the RoofSmart Pad helps you protect all roofing materials. Today we have a clay tile roof display, and I'm going to demonstrate how our RoofSmart Pad helps protect the roof from damage and as well as help the roofer feel more safe. Now I've done this over 1,000 times on this same roofing display. And as you can see, still damage-free. The strong ABS plastic top gives the worker a stable footing and a good place to walk or work. And the high-density foam bottom helps absorb and distribute your weight so you do not cause damage. To learn more, visit roofsmartpads.com and place an order today.